Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to group tests together in Python using Pytest. Let's start by looking at the tests folder. I have 3 test files right now, and each test file contains 2 tests. In the first file for the cash sales report, I have 2 tests, and in both tests, I'm asserting whether the select keyword appears in the query or not. Note I'm using the @Pytest decorator, and I'm marking the first test using the marker name of first underscore query and the second test with the marker name of second underscore query. I'm using the same marker names for the tests defined in the customer report file and the lead report file. In the customer report file, I'm expecting the second query test to fail because I know XYZ doesn't exist in the second query. To execute these tests, right-click on the tests folder and hit Run Pytest. As expected, all 6 tests were executed and only 1 test failed. Now say I only want to execute all the tests with the marker name of first underscore query. To do that, click on the Pytest dropdown and click on Edit Configuration. In the additional arguments section, type -m first underscore query, then hit OK. Now if you rerun the tests, you'll notice that only 3 out of the 6 tests were executed. Similarly, if you just wanted to run tests with the marker name of second underscore query, you'll change the additional argument with the appropriate marker name. Another way to specify additional arguments is by doing it in the pytest.ini file. In the Pytest section, just write add opts equal to -m followed by the marker name. Finally, to export the test results, click on the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.